In a recent video posted by the popular Cardano proponent Dan Gambardillo, we found some interesting comments. Cardano is truly dominating the crypto world right now. Can't wait to see it hit $10 this bull run, a user posted. When Cardano becomes even more functional this year, it's off to the races. No telling how high it goes, another user posted. Then, here comes an incredible one. Cardano is built like an impenetrable fortress in terms of security, peer-reviewed and methodically developed. Avalanche and Solana were both hastily developed just to ride the bull cycle to make a money grab. Right now, we love this energy. But what does this talk about Cardano going down the drain? Whenever we talk about Ethereum killers, we are reminded of this particular conversation on Reddit. A member once opened a conversation on Ethereum killers and questioned their ability to succeed in the current crypto space. According to the community members, those dubbed as Ethereum killers are unlikely to succeed because they do not get the same adoption that Ethereum does. What does the Cardano community have to say about this, given that Cardano is also an Ethereum killer? Are we truly heading towards an uncertain future with Cardano as an Ethereum killer? Well, the community member continued, arguing that even if a chain becomes faster than Ethereum, the market capitalization of Ether is very high. Therefore, the crypto user believes that no ETH killer will kill ETH. Various members of the community chimed in and gave their thoughts on the issue. From pointing out these so-called ETH killers did not deliver on promises, to suggesting dropping the term ETH killer altogether, crypto community members discussed the future of ETH killers. There are many Ethereum killers out there, and now it seems like there are Cardano killers too. Funny, right? Recently, crypto YouTuber Ben Armstrong posted a video where he addressed the different crypto projects using Cardano to draw in more investors. Blog posts from crypto media engage in this a lot of times. It is important to note that Cardano's relevance is not tied to its ability to surpass or kill Ethereum. It is setting its pace as a unique ecosystem. Cardano is more than the obvious. A good reminder, Cardano ADA is a crypto project that bears many similarities with Ethereum. It even shares the same co-founder, Charles Hoskinson. Many see Cardano as a potential Ethereum killer. And yes, these are crypto projects that serve the same use case and can form serious competition for Ethereum. Both are so-called smart contract networks. While Bitcoin allows you to securely and cheaply send money to other people, Cardano and Ethereum make it possible to program this money as well. Cardano ADA has had its shares of ups and downs, and the ride has not been smooth, but it is not going to zero. In early September of 2021, Cardano hit an all-time high of $3.10 with a market capitalization of $97.52 billion amid speculations of a smart contract launch. It managed to position itself as a third cryptocurrency by market capitalization, topped only by Bitcoin and Ethereum. That was so close. However, as most traders took profit, Cardano's price retreated from its all-time high, slipping from the third cryptocurrency to the sixth crypto by market capitalization. The story has changed though. It is currently the eighth cryptocurrency by market cap, yet it is not so far from grace. Optimistic crypto investors think Cardano will eventually be an Ethereum killer, becoming the second cryptocurrency despite the huge price difference between it and Ethereum. According to history, however, nothing is completely certain in the crypto world, and you cannot rule out ADA's steady and quiet growth. And instead of an outrageous talk about Cardano being no more, it is going to be more. Also, Ethereum and Cardano are decentralized platforms, but they differ in many key ways, including their implementation and development approaches. Ethereum is known for the relatively quick pace of its developmental approach, but there can be certain drawbacks to moving too quickly. One analyst noted, Ethereum prioritizes faster development, but that comes at the cost of a more fragile set of software implementations. On the other hand, Cardano prefers to take its time to properly assess and update its tech through a peer review process before implementing anything. While some view Cardano's approach as unnecessarily slow, the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, prefers it instead to view it as a necessary part of the process to ensure reliability and stability. One consequence is that there are fewer projects on Cardano, although this is due to Ethereum's first mover advantage. However, we have seen Cardano's slow and steady moves as a strategy to avoid downtimes and crashes. The Terra Luna crash of 2022 is still fresh in our memories, and according to Charles Hoskinson, it happened as a result of its fast pace. At the end of the day, slow and steady wins the race. So in the crypto world, Cardano looks more like a silent winner. Of course, some coins have been called Cardano killers, especially Solana. It has evolved to become more than just a mere currency. It is now a platform for decentralized applications. This evolution has somehow blurred the lines between traditional means of exchange and digital assets. Yet some people believe that they can still be used as a means of exchange. Solana is indeed winning in certain aspects of the crypto world, but its performance cannot measure up to Cardano's. Moreover, at the beginning of February, Max Keiser, a prominent financial journalist and Bitcoin advisor to El Salvador President Nayib Bukele, made a Cardano prediction that the ADA army did not agree with. He predicted that ADA was going to zero. Now, this is not the first time Keiser will make such a statement. However, this time the ADA community filled his comment thread, trolling the Bitcoiner about his one-track mind on the cryptocurrency space. He's always been talking about ADA going to zero against Bitcoin. Keiser attached a screenshot of an ADA Bitcoin chart, stating that Cardano's native cryptocurrency, the 8th one and market capitalization of $19 billion, is going down to zero against Bitcoin. This way, Keiser again reaffirmed his Bitcoin maximalist on the world of crypto, showing a negative attitude towards all altcoins. He has taken a similar attitude towards XRP, Sol, BNB, ETH, Doge, and numerous other cryptocurrencies. Max Keiser even took a dig at Charles Hoskinson, calling him an S-coiner. He also took a few jabs at Solana after this Ethereum killer blockchain crash recently. Many crypto-themed accounts on X started arguing with Keiser, and perhaps just trolling him a little by tweeting, "Just buy some ADA, bro." One X user also pointed out that ADA has been on the rise since 2018. In 2022, after the Terra Luna crash, he claimed that Cardano ADA was going to fall below the $1 level. It eventually did, but many factors contributed to his dip. It's not just because of the words of the Bitcoin maximalists. Normally, Bitcoin maximalists are not a fan of Cardano. People like Michael Saylor will sing the same song as Max Keiser, while he is claiming that ADA could dip further down. His famous and long-standing Bitcoin price prediction remains at the $220,000 peak, which Bitcoin is expected to reach. Max Keiser believes that the next stop for Bitcoin will be $50,000, and now this price level is already in the bag. He further believes that Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high in this quarter. Bitcoin started gaining momentum on January 11th when the Securities and Exchange Commission gave the green light to spot-based Bitcoin ETF trading. Among the companies that followed to launch were BlackRock, ARK Invest, Fidelity, and VanEck. These, and 7 other hedge funds that issued ETFs, started scooping up Bitcoin at an astonishing pace, thus propelling the price up. It was approved, thus giving Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies an interesting pump. Cardano is never going to zero, and neither is crypto, regardless of the inconsistencies and crashes so far. Charles Hoskinson made some remarks at the Financial Times Crypto and Digital Asset Summit Winter Edition on November 28, 2023. He said that crypto is the only solution where everyone is truly equal. Furthermore, regarding the financial system, he said, "The past 100 years, it has never changed." Hoskinson added that even though he is the co-founder of ADA, he is certain that Cardano will follow on after me. He gave examples such as Walt Disney and Steve Jobs, asking if when both these men passed away, the company they represented ceased to exist. The obvious answer was no, since both Disney and Apple are still active. When questioned about ADA being down 90% compared to September of 2021, Hoskinson replied, "We are still talking about it." He added that he has been through 6 crypto bear markets. Cardano has a strong community and a strong visionary leader. It is not going to fail, and if you ask us, the best time to join the bandwagon is now. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.